Hey. Yo. So, how you been doing? Doing pretty good. Pretty good, yeah. Yeah.
What the fuck are you doing? She's trying to fuck me!
Wait for me. Currently getting behind the scenes. Doing that TikTok stuff now, right? Yeah, get that angle. Yep. Yep, that's the one. That's the one.
Shut up, bro.
That's the one. Yep. Keep on going back. Keep it going.
You're annoying
Keep
as
it going.
fucking...
What is your emergency? I hear shots! Okay, ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
Right, okay, I'll tell you a bit about the Mazda, right, instead of just recording the whole time. The Mazda is basically, the inside is set, kinda. The inside is set, like, it's pretty, from what it was to now, it's pretty clean, as well as the back, right, the back's, everything is right, and then, yeah, it's pretty clean. It's just, it has to get another furnish, you know what I'm saying, if that's the right word, but other than that, it's just the back, the door panel, the engine, and a few more other bits and bobs. We need new rims, new headlights, new front grille, new plate. Yeah. Janae told me he had an idea. He said it's a bit iffy. Wait! Stay here, right? I'm a bit light, but let's try these gloves. Ooh. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, there's a hole in his glove. Yeah, let's get the helmet. Oh. Yep, that's not going to fit. But the gloves fit perfectly fine. Nice.
Alright, get out and push on that door.
I'm going to release the brake.
Yeah, now push from that door.
Can I release the handbrake?
You didn't have to cut me off. Say that I could never, that we were nothing.
Okay, I'm going to release the brake, okay?
Now see that, yeah, push from there, both hands. No, leave the steering wheel. Hold on.
I was on the wrong angle. Because I gotta take the handbrakes out. We try again.
And then what?
We win. Right? We're South Africans. We can do this.
Yep. Yep. One, yep, push all the way. Oh shit. Push. Now pull up.
A few moments later.
Ready? Yeah. Yep. Do it.
Definition of never giving up.
We could have done so much more other things if we just took the battery out of it.
Great, Janae.
No, make sure it's neutral. I'll make sure it's in park.
Yeah, true. Great, Janae started without me.
No, I didn't. I just took that thing out. I just lifted it up.
This is what the mechanics in the doors are like, huh? So explain, bro.
Okay, you're taking the cables out.
Yep. Let me get a better angle. Who's your noodle here?
Ay, fuck! Gee, nah, bro.
Oh, can I try?
Okay, I'll hold this.
Okay.
Okay. So, no. This one, yeah? See that? Push and lift. Push that in and lift it up. Jig
Like,
a little bit. Wiggle a little bit. One. Yeah, there we go.
Yay!
Yeah,
Weight reduction!
because now, when I broke it, see I broke all this. All these fell out.
Wait, so how did you break it again?
I just yanked the fucking door closed.
Were you angry at someone?
Oh yeah. You could say that. Okay, now I just need to get pins. No, not pins. Can't hurt.
You'll be okay. You're in my way, bro. Wait, so what are you doing now?
Taking these clips out, which is not working. I need a pin. Okay.
Better angle.
No, you need to go to the toolbox real quick. Give me something.
Okay.
Now take the camera with you.
Okay.
So put this back. Third drawer to the right.
Yep.
And then open second drawer. Oh no. Yeah. Second drawer to the right. Right. Third drawer down. Yeah. Open it. No. One down. Yeah. And then put it back.
You want this? This?
Left side. Left drawer.
Oh. This one?
Yeah, there. To the left hand side, you see two picks. Bring me the straight one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
Better angle? Hey, nice.
All day. Is that the only one?
At the bottom, anything?
Nope. Well, we are fucked.
It's just the only one. So this is the only one that's holding your door?
Nope. There's three here.
Okay.
Because basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna super glue all of it.
You can't buy new pins.
How much is it? I don't even know what the fuck they're called. We might have to go to super cheap.
Well, we're gonna keep that in the boat.
We'll put it back. We'll put it in the inside.
But if you guys don't know what an inside of a door is and all of this jig stuff, this is called a speaker, right? This is your motor to let the window roll up and down. This is your handle, and this is your lock. This?
Yep.
Motor.
Nope. There's another word for it.
So what now, boss?
I'm just taking everything out. Okay, at this point, I'm just gonna take everything off the car that I'm not gonna like, that I'm replacing.
Which is?
This, for starters.
The antenna. Someone put a cringe counter at the side here.
You of all people understand, all of your shit is cringe.
At least I make people laugh, okay? You wanna fight now?
Yes, sir. I'll end your life, nigga.
Okay, where do you want to put this though?
In the garage. I'll do it now. Wait.
Okay.
I need new wipers as well. Those wipers are so old that it's literally breaking. It's cracking. The fucking clips are gone.
I hope this wind doesn't affect the audio on this. Wouldn't, right?
Nah.
Hey, don't just throw it.
What else are we replacing?
Okay, I'm gonna try a thing, yeah? Probably not... Why am I holding this? Sorry. I'm gonna try a thing, yeah? If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Honestly, because, hey, we're a small channel, right? And if you actually do watch to the end of the video, really do appreciate it. Do you appreciate it? But no, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that, and hope you enjoyed.